Ahead of leaving on a 3-day visit to Russia, the defense minister held a detailed discussion with the Chief of Defense Staff and the chiefs of all 3 services, and he asked them to be fully prepared to take any unprecedented action, also including a 2-front situation. He will hold a bilateral meeting with his Russian counterpart, and will press to consider fast-tracking the delivery of the S400 air defense systems, along with 33 new fighter jets contract, and availability of critical spares. As per latest media reports, the Indian Armed Forces have deployed the DRDO's new Quick Reaction Surface-to-Air Defense Systems along the LAC, to prevent any violations of the Indian airspace. It is a quick reaction all-weather and network-centric mobile air defense system with a range of 30 kilometers, and the radars are 4-walled with 360-degree coverage, and has already proved its capability with 100% success in developmental tests. The commanders have been given full freedom and authorization to take action, and the Indian government yesterday granted special financial powers to the 3 service chiefs for emergency defense procurements worth 500 crore rupees for each service. The Indian Air Force had already procured the combat-proven Spice 2000 air-to-ground system, air-to-air systems for its frontline fighter jets, the Strom-Attacker air-to-ground systems from Russia, while the Army had recently procured the Spike anti-tank guided systems from Israel, and Excalibur precision-guided systems from the US for the western border. The Indian Institute of Technology and General Electric India Technology Centre are jointly developing a 3D printed combustor, which is aimed at reducing weight and improving fuel efficiency in small aircraft and helicopter engines. The 7.2 crore rupees project is being funded 75% by the Indian government and 25% by General Electric. Top defense experts have said that as China continues to arm Pakistan and other Indian neighbors, India needs to establish a diplomatic relationship with Taiwan and later offer the defense systems to the country. Taiwan's plan to procure conventional submarines from US, France and Germany was blocked by China, and it has now decided to build indigenous conventional submarines, and India should offer its expertise and technologies for its submarine developmental program, as well as other platforms like BrahMos system which might come handy for the island nation.
We have to know that the Indian, you have a very smart population as well as softer power. And software, so to speak. And Taiwan, on the other hand, we are pretty strong in the hardware. So that kind of a combination can make a wonder for both countries. For common people, just take a look of Taiwan in different perspective, in soft power, smart power, to make some friends. Okay.